thing I learned about putting these brackets on here is I did them wrong first. Now if your fence is nice and level, it's going to be level ground, you could put these brackets on. Put this bracket on, take a square and draw a line across and put this bracket on. But as you start going down the hill, you can see what happens. This board ends up higher than this board, and as you go down steeper, this board ends up higher and higher. I had to redo some down there because as I got going pretty steep, I was like almost a ½ inch above the other one. So take a lot of brackets off. So what you want to do is put this bracket where you want it, and this bracket needs to be lower so that this board comes in at the same place. Otherwise you have this board coming in. This one I didn't fix. It comes in and then the other one is above it. So the way I've been doing this is put a straight edge on this side on the bottom of here and transfer the line across to here, which should be more like there. I think it should be more like that. And then put the bracket there, and then they'll look right. Otherwise, if you just put them all in a 90, the same heights from each other, they won't look right. My level on here, line it with the bottom of the rail, come down here, do myself a line, and put that bracket there so that that next rail will sit there. This puts my bracket lower, this bracket higher than this bracket. So always put this bracket on lower. That way the rails will come down in the same angle. I'll show you what I did next. I put the bracket on there, just put it on with a couple of screws. I'll put 2 nails through the holes later. Alright, now that all these brackets are where I want them and the rails seem to fit fine, I'm going to put some nails in it. 6 nails. My hammer, and I'll put nails in these remaining holes right here. So I've got nails and screws holding it. I'll do that for each bracket. That one, and that one. And since these were already on here, they've already got nails in it. So that's what it's going to look like when I'm done.